Hello children, do you want to do the Play-Doh today? Kids, let's play Play-Doh today. Looks like we ran out of Play-Doh. Do you want to create your own Play-Doh though?
Yeah.
I'll go gather the ingredients and you need to wear your aprons.
Okay, we're ready. Yeah. We're ready to get to.
Let's talk about the ingredients now. Say the name of this.
Flour.
Good. This?
Salt. Salt.
Good. This?
Peanut tartar. Peanut tartar.
Yes. This?
Food coloring.
Yes. This?
Oil. Oil.
And this?
Burning hot water.
The next step of the Play-Doh making, we'll need 4 tablespoons of salt. Please and thank you. Good job. You want to put the salt in the flour? Please and thank you. Haley, do you want to do the mixing now? Please and thank you. You want to get the 2 tablespoons of peanut tartar? Please and thank you. Are you done with the 2 spoons? Good job. Do you want to put it in and do the mixing now?
Yeah.
Please and thank you. Aisha, can you come over? Do you want to put the oil in? 2 tablespoons, okay? Please and thank you. Okay? That's good. That's 1. Can you please do the pouring now? All of it. Mix it. I'm going to put away the ingredients which we've already used, okay? This is the very hot water, so I will pour it so you don't hurt yourself, okay? Okay to look now. Do you all want to look now? Look. Can we combine our strengths to mix harder?
Yeah.
I'll sing some songs while I'm mixing it for you.
So the teacher turned him out,
I'll put the plastic sheets on the table so all of you can have your own little piece where you mix, crush, compress and roll into your own shape of Play-Doh. Yeah, Play-Doh. This is how you roll it. See? It becomes the roll.
I
Like
do
burrito,
it.
right?
Oh, I do it.
And this is how you crush. This. Crush.
Crush.
Compress.
Crush. Oh,
Flatten. It was very steady.
it's like potato.
It's like the bread, right? Roti. Roti bread.
I did. No, I.
Is it like soft? Is it hard? Is it squishy?
It's squishy and soft. It's squishy and soft.
Does it feel like bread?
Bread?
The bread?
Bread? I just.
Together like, and then you roll it. And then crush it.
I just.
Press it.
I just.
Crush.
Like a board. Like
Like a burrito.
Look at this.
And then it's back together.
Yay! Yeah, you did it. Hey, I like it. So red.
Does it look like the flour from before?
I did.
Can you see the oil and the salt?
Okay.
Can you see the water
Water?
and the tartar? Do you see all it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Can you say which part is the salt?
Oh.
Can you say which?
No, don't really sing. I can hear you sing.
Sure, that looked a lot like the flour. This used to be what the flour was. See? So different, right?
So big.
So this is like soft, dry powder, which is like all over the place, like the snow. But this is the soft but sticky dough which you play with. So oily.
Oi. Yay! I beat it.
Do you want to make it your own color? So then you can play with. Then you can put it in the bag and play with it for another few weeks.
Yeah.
Okay, we can do it then. I will show you how to put the color into your Play-Doh. Do the mixing. The roll, the compress, the crunch, the roll, squish, flatten.
Like a pizza. This one's got doggy bones. This one with got doggy bones. And this is so fun. Whoosh. Whoosh.
Okay, we have to put everyone's Play-Doh in a plastic bag so we can play with it later, okay?
Okay, I put that.
Good job! You did very good!
I did it. Couldn't put it inside. Smooch it.
Now we have to clean the mess up.
How can we do that? I can do that.
We have to put away we have to clean up now, put away everything, wash our hands, and remove our aprons. Okay? We will put all these in the bag, and later on we will play with the Play-Doh, okay?
Okay.
While I super clean this, can you do it in the book? Thank you. Did you all have fun today?
Yeah.
Do you want to make the shaker of the Play-Doh and then take your Play-Doh home?
Yeah. We had so much fun. So much fun. Can we do it again with you?
Yes, definitely.